Hi, welcome back. Today we are going to be creating this beautiful, creative, heart-shaped glass skin-like look. Inspired by this beautiful arrangement of flowers I bought myself for my birthday this week.
Turning 27, y'all.
So yeah, the colours are obviously inspired by these beautiful sunflowers and roses, which make me happy every day. As soon as I step into the kitchen, it lifts my mood. It is perfect for any days out, nights out, Valentine's Day, or just for those days that you're feeling a bit sassy and you want to wear something creative outside. I got you, babe. So let's jump into it. So I actually forgot to mention whilst I was filming this what products I'm using, but it is the Always Online gel liner from Morphe in shade Berry. I'm just using that to create a love heart shape. And then going in with the P. Louise base in shade 2 and applying that all over the lid for a blank canvas. So I'm just taking shade Psycho from the Rock Artistry book, and to be honest I'm not really sure what shape I'm going for here. All I know is that the colour combination is going to be red and yellow, and we're just going to extend that out past the shape of the love heart, just because I feel like I want the eyeshadow to be the main character. Now we're going to do the same on the other eye, and I always look at the other eye just to make sure that they're symmetrical as can be. But just like eyebrows are sisters and not twins, so is your eyeshadow, honey. Then we're taking shade Circus from the same palette and just diffusing the red, which may take a while. I'll be back. Once we've blended out all the yellow, we need to go back in with the red to redefine it and just make that pigment pop, because when you're diffusing shades, I feel like it really decreases the saturation. So you've got to go back in and work backwards, as P. Louise would say. Then back in with Circus on the inner corner. Then we're going to take a brighter yellow to just diffuse that inner corner yellow. I'm using shade Self-Made from the Le Rock Artistry book, chapter 2. For this next step, I'd normally clean up the eyeshadow a bit more, but I am actually just going to go straight in with the base and just map out where I want my base to be. And the reason that we're doing this is so that again I've got a clear, well, nude base to apply more eyeshadow. Then we're taking shade Burnt from the Le Rock Artistry book and just applying it to the outer part of the shape that we've created. Then we're going to take it down here to the corner of the eye. Then we'll take the same shade and just apply it along the eye line. Then we're going to take shade Circus and just apply it to the whole of the centre of what's remaining. Then we're taking shade Pineapple Juice from the same palette, which is a beautiful shimmer, and we're just applying that to the inner corner. Next, we're going to take the shade Flaming Firecracker from the P. Louise Paint collection and just follow the shape of the heart, because that is going to be our first colour. Then we're going to take Mellow Mustard from the same P. Louise Paint collection and just diffuse the red with that shade. Now I'm just going to use the Morphe Always Online Gel Liner in shade Bear It, just to trace outline of the heart. And this is just going to make it look like it's glowing. Now we're just taking that same reddy orange shade from earlier and contouring the nose. We want it to be coherent, that's why we're using this shade. And it looks crazy at the moment, but trust me, once it's blended, it'll look fine. Now we're taking the white gold highlighter from the P. Louise A New Chapter Chapter 2 book and literally just applying that everywhere. And this will be the first step for that glassy look that we're going for. Once this part is done, we are going to use the Pat McGrath Glass Skin Setting Spray, and oh my god, you're not ready for it. You're not ready. You're not ready. Stunning. So we're just highlighting everywhere that hasn't had any shadows applied, and even actually over some of the eyeshadow that I have done, just so it blends in properly. Do you see that? Oh, I'm obsessed. Now we're just going to take the same shades from the P. Louise paint set, so that's Flaming Firecracker and Mellow Mustard, and we're going to apply this to his lips. So starting with Flaming Firecracker, we're going to follow the line of his lips, and then Mellow Mustard is going to go in the centre, and then I might put some lip gloss on. Of course we're going to put lip gloss on because it's a glass skin look, hello. Once I've done that, I'll be back. And that is the finished look. I have added some setting spray to give it that glass effect. And yeah,